In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro, a versatile online collaborative whiteboard platform that can help facilitate your brainstorming sessions, project planning, and team collaborations. Whether you're working on a team project or simply organizing your personal tasks, Miro offers a dynamic space to visualize your ideas. Let's dive into how you can get started and make the most of this fantastic tool. First things first, head over to Miro and sign into your account. If you don't have one yet, don't worry. Setting up an account is quick and easy. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the main dashboard where all the magic happens. To get started with your first project, look for the Create New Board button. Clicking this will open up a blank canvas for you to work with. This blank space is where you can let your creativity shine, building everything from mood boards to complex workflows. Once your new board is set up, it's time to start adding content. You'll notice a handy toolbar on your screen, your gateway to all the features Miro has to offer. If you want to jot down quick ideas or reminders, try using sticky notes. They're perfect for capturing thoughts that you can later organize. For more in-depth notes, the text tool is your friend. It's great for annotating your boards with longer pieces of information or detailed instructions that your team might need. Keep things organized and visually appealing by adding shapes to create boundaries and sections within your board. Now, if you're looking to illustrate relationships or processes, you might find the connectors or arrows feature particularly useful. This functionality allows you to effortlessly link different parts of your board together, creating a clear path or workflow that represents your ideas or processes. If you're a visual thinker, go ahead and incorporate images into your board. You can either upload your own images or choose from a library of resources available within Miro. Images can be incredibly effective for adding context or a pop of color to your projects, making them even more engaging and understandable for those you work with. As you build and develop your board, you'll see how easy it is to create dynamic diagrams or workflows. Simply drag and connect objects within your board to visualize your processes or concepts clearly. Miro allows you to transform a simple whiteboard into a sophisticated visual aid. Once your board starts taking shape, it's time to invite your teammates to collaborate. By clicking on Share, you can send invitations to your colleagues. Miro's collaborative features make teamwork seamless, allowing you to work together in real time, share comments, add reactions, and even follow each other's cursors as you navigate the board. Finally, when you've wrapped up your work or need to present your board outside of Miro, you can export the board as a PDF or image. This feature ensures that you can share your work with anyone, whether they're on Miro or not. That's it for how to use Miro. With these tools and features, you're more than equipped to transform your ideas into a visual masterpiece. Enjoy exploring, collaborating, and bringing your concepts to life.